Alright, you can see that meandering irrigation channel coming from the ditch. Comes right down here and dries out pretty much. Even with all that flow, it goes underground. Right about here. Disappears completely right here. You can barely tell it even comes through this passage. Just a depression in the ground. Here you can tell this is where the channel is supposed to be, and historically where the water has drained before the road was altered by the traffic. Right down through here, around this corner, over towards this edge. Right here where it's real slippery, to make this right here.